Khethile on the left.
Okay, dogs. This one has me a bit upset because asiqala ukudila nendaba efana nale, and I just feel like, come now, we can't still be dealing with umuntu ekhalela ukuthi unevila endlini. All right, so this is Anonymous' story. To Sawubona Mazwane nethimba lakho, ngithembe nyaphila. Kindly keep me anonymous. Uthi, a couple of weeks ago, there was a lady who wrote in complaining ukuthi she has to work and come home and still do all the household chores while the hubby sits relaxing. I saw this on social media and I read and listened to the comments as well, and it made me super sad ngoba it showed that many people believe this behavior is okay when in fact it is not. Mina ngiyasebenza, I help out in the house and generally with everything else. I have 3 kids endlini. My stepson, who is 16 years old, he does absolutely nothing except being glued to his phone. My daughter, who is 14, she's my rock. And my 3-year-old super hyper boy. When I say he does nothing, this is now the husband, I mean he does nothing. He comes home, akumule impahla there in the sitting room, adle, alale, all in the sitting room until he gets up in the wee hours of the morning to go to bed. I come home, I cook, I help out with the cleaning, and Umnyanwami has told me that he doesn't want my daughter cooking because I'm the one who's married to him and the kids won't be cooking for him. Umtanami lo khulunywa lapha kwakhe, my daughter is his stepdaughter. My stepson just recently came to live with us, which made the situation worse and unruly because he is rude as hell. And with all the stresses and unhappiness of our relationship, I am now contemplating leaving. My husband is literally the 4th child in this household, and I have to clean up after him. I have to cook for him, and get those clothes ready when he needs to go somewhere. I wash his clothes. Anonymous lauti nomen. My daughter was raised by him from 5 years old. She loves him to death. My young son asks for him when I come home and he's not with me. I'm afraid of breaking my kid's heart, which is why kunzima ukuthatha lesinqumo engisicabangayo sokuhamba. What should I do? I am lost. Now, the reason why ngithi this issue is now kind of upsetting to me is because, like Anonymous said, just a couple of weeks ago, we dealt with a lady who was complaining about the same thing. Now, household chores and responsibilities seem to be something that we're not spending enough time and consideration on before we get married. It seems like the issue, Lena, that's a difficult one for us to approach. It really does cause a lot of tension very early in the marriage in certain instances. It also clearly becomes a source of resentment for law ofila ngathi uyena othwele kanzima kakhulu. Now, I feel like this particular issue, Anonymous, and you'll forgive me here, I feel like it's an easy one to deal with. You have one of 2 choices. Sit down with your husband and just have a clear and open conversation around how you feel like you're bearing the brunt of the household chores and responsibilities and you would like some help. That's number 1. Or number 2, guys, get a helper. Get a helper. I don't feel like this is rocket science. Uma nobabili ngakwazi ukulekelelana and one is super tight because they have to do everything. Get a helper. All right? But here's the direction that I want to steer this conversation in. So, Nancy inkinga that has come through from more than one Anonymous. The roles and responsibilities asendlini mangabe senishadile. This is something that is not spoken about enough, and that's why it keeps popping up kuketile like it does. Help me out with things that you feel are those that we should spend a lot of time talking about and ironing out with each other as lovers before we get into a marriage situation, right? Yiziphi izinto esi-avoidayo ukukhuluma, but by avoiding them, we end up very quickly with an issue on our hands. Where's the issue? My one that I would add over and above household chores and responsibilities is finances. I don't think abantu abathandanayo spend enough time talking about finances and the responsibilities financially that the one will carry mangabe sekushadiwe. So let me know on 0861596596 ukuthi iyiphi enye wena point of conversation that you feel as people who are looking to get married you should be spending a lot of time ironing out before it becomes a mountain to overcome mangabe senishadile. It's Ketile on the Liftoff.
Nonjabulo.
Uyaphila.
Ngiyaphila mfethu. So when it comes, angazi noma lento isho ngoba ngiyi-return soldier, but you know when you go into a committed relationship, just find common ground, have something in common, and find a partner that you're equally yoked with. Ngoba uyabona like njoba besho nje manje ubekhathele but you expected to womanly chores and frustrated kubula relationship. It shouldn't be. Just draw the line and sit down. Where do we see ourselves in 5 years, 10 years? How do we get there? Finances, let's be frank, indaba yemali ngoba indaba yemali yokubuyela umshado ngampela iyona ibase. Indaba yemali, how much you earn a month, how much do you spend, how much do I earn, how much do I send home, everything is sure. And just have a common ground. What do you like? What do I like? Mina ngibe nenkinga nje. Lothi esenginaye manje ngibatharayena ngingaphuza utshwala.
Yeah.
So but now sengiyoshawa poison. So
usoyoma.
Usizakazwani no poison. So we had to find ukuthi let me buy you poison ngize nawe endlini ngophuza poison ngoba ngiyawudinga and kunama boundaries uthi akafuni ngiphuze to which limit and with who. Everything sure. I need to respect that uzesokwazi ukuthi siqhubeke sisakhe naye. Everything sure. Just honestly being frank, being upfront.
That's just yazi ukuthi wena hey nakusencishe ngisho igama lakho ngoba I recognize your voice. Yazi wena Anonymous, into engithusayo mina is how are you in a long-term marriage ninengane entathu in the household yet you fail to have conversations aneqiniso phakathi with your partner. That is the scariest part for me, not necessarily what the issue is, but ukuthi umuntu osuphile naye isikhathi sidanga uyasaba ukuhlala phansi naye umtshele iqiniso lakho nendlela ozizwa ngayo. I mean, what life is that, guys? What lives are we choosing for ourselves?
That's why come with resentment in general, bitterness from another party. Ngoba uyabona they're holding back ungengumshado usaqala. She hold back angasho into ayifunayo ngoba engengele ring and le ring izoba ngike ngoba bazowakha ingane kube khona ama divorce nenkinga nje manje mina nengane kunendodakazi yami big issues now angikwazi uyibona ingane ngoba uex wami lo owangishaya ngesithende we fighting. I think sure that could have been avoided konke lokho at the beginning ufe ngathi no lo akuyona inhlobo yami angasingazalisana angiqhubeke ngizame uyinhlobo yami. Everything sure.
Yo, thank you so much for your call, Anonymous. Always appreciated. I think mhlawumbe kufanele kube ne-test eyenziwayo before you get into a relationship. Ukubona ukuthi uyakwazi yini ukukhuluma. Are you a healthy communicator? Because that is really what rests on the success or the lack thereof in ubudlelwane mangabe nithi niyathandana as abantu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu once again, Anonymous. Let me go to Port Shepstone down south. Nqakuthobile. Hello.
Hello, Sister.
I'm good, my darling. How are you?
Sure, please.
I'm fit. Okay, fit. All right, my folks. Yeah.
Yes, Sister. Yeah, ngikho lokuzana umfundo from eKakas.
Yes. You wanted to have a comment on Indabaga Anonymous. Yes. What's your comment? You're on air now.
I was my problem same with her. So I'm experiencing the same thing.
Okay. Wayilungisa kanjani ke yakho?
Yeah, it's ended up mina ngigula so ngahamba ngekhaya. So ngisekhaya manje Potchefstroom. So I was living lokuzana nasi. Yabona. Saba separation nje asiyakunjalo kodwa ngangigula. Solution ayibanga khona kokho. Angifuni ngasho.
Kahle ke phela ngithi thina asifuni ukuthi uAnonymous azagule naye. So sigwema kanjani lokho? Yini afanele akwenze ngesakho?
Angithi yena inkinga yami ngakho ngisathana yobhuti waba right yayizolona wa-understand yonke into njengoba nisho ukuthi suppose ukuthi ihlale phansi nomkhonyana wakhe then mase khona abantu osisi bakhe kwaba into engathi akayazi yayibona loo nto mina ngaba ngedwa
wakudayisa
yes yayibona loo nto ukuthi la abona ama-partners manje khona ama-extras so inkinga ngathi i-solution ayikho. ngoba ngiyasaba lokuphendula ngoba kho sense than before.
Jeez.
Inkinga futhi indaba omshadweni angifuni ngathi.
Problems. Tobile ngiyabonga kakhulu for your call. I'm still waiting for yours on 0861 596 596. We are creating a list of things that need to be spoken about by couples who are probably considering ukshata or are looking at being together in the long term. These are issues that will definitely cause you problems and start a resentment where there shouldn't be any if you're just able to have open and honest conversations with each other. And part of the list is finances, kulman gemali. Second on the list is household chores, which is the issue that brings us here today. I have one more that I want to add onto this list, but now. Let me go to what's ngiye kwamash. Sawubona sinqanqawini.
Sawubona njani?
Ngiyaphila, I know, right wena?
Hayibo guys, hayibo mina ngeke sengicela ukuphuma manje.
Ufuna ukwehla staff?
Hawu sengiyacela ukusehla ngosengidedela abanikazi bakhe.
Sakudinga
Hayi siyaphela Jehova.
Yeah, talk to me.
Kanti kunjani la ekhaya? Yo, uGuy, sihlala ndawonye ne? Mind you, ulobolile uGuy, so wazenza umuntu right ekhaya. Hawu nazo we have umntwana a 5-year-old.
Yeah.
So, make ngathi nje short left ekhaya, mhlawumbe there's something happening ngomcimbano othize. Ngizofika sekhona inquiry mayikwenzeke ngifike ngashongo khona amantombazane and this time around inkulu ngazi nokuthi ngiyithini because ugela ungitshele nokuthi ukutshelela ukuthi ungifonele wangithuka ngicela ukuxoxana. Wathi ukutshelela ukuthi silale ngaphandle kwecondom mid-March.
Wait, she's pregnant?
Usho njalo apparently ugel uthi pregnant balalile ngaphandle kwe-protection. Do I know that?
Okay, so
ngathi mlisa phendula nangugele ekhuluma wathi angikwazi ukuthi ubani ini yabo ephike drum intombazana vela send isithombe ihleli kwi-couch yami yathi ngoyimali yami endlini yami.
Hey, indlebe zavele zashisa kumina on your behalf. Kahle, image anonymous. Oh, I get you frustrated and I'm really sorry for everything that you're going through right now. But coming back to le list esiyishayayo manje of things that you need to speak about when you are going into a long-term relationship nomuntu wakho and going through what you're going through wena njengamanje. Ikuphi mhlawumbe ufisa ukuthi ngabe nadlula kona as a conversation to perhaps ugwema lapho esenikhona njengamanje?
Angangcola to me khona ukuthi akukho ke njalo in reality kuba khona i-test ethize before nje uzothi know what ngekho
ilento ngishoyo sidinga exam
Sometimes there is an exam ethize njengoba umatric ubhala nje kuthiwa nathi khona iphepha esilibhalayo kuyima uzothi yabona ke le this is what I need.
Hamba ndawonye mina nawe
engathi ba right kuhlezi kuthiwa yithina abantu besifazane mina ngikubona lokho ukuthi thina sodwa nalabo baya pretend engathi ba right.
Look, I think it's not even a gender thing, it's just a character thing. Mangabe unamanga whether umuntu wesifazane noma umuntu wesilisa muzikhohlisi uyisikhohlisi whether umuntu wesifazane noma umuntu wesilisa. Again, I'm really sorry and I hope there is a resolution in one way or another that will work for you kule nkanakana obhekene nayo nawe. All the very best, Anonymous, and thank you for your call. Angiyebone ebonela ke manje khona uSiphiwe. Sawubona?
Sisinjani?
I am good. How are you, Sphiwe?
Ngiyaphila.
Uhlekani?
Hey mazwane.
Do I look like a clown to you? Do I sound like a clown to you? Ndim ulol, ndim uhaha.
Awumeke mazwane.
Yeah.
Abajolanga yini labantu?
Inkinga yami ngithi le ukuthi kanina benjola nikhuluma ngani bafethu?
Abajolanga yini ngoba phela i-test isekujoleni kuqala. Ukuthi mesivakashelene yini ofanele ukuyenze yini ongayenzi. Uyambona phela umuntu. Yabo ngizokutshela ngami. Mina ngwakansele yabo?
Ubhuti wami.
Ngwakansele mina.
Yeah.
Ngisonta kaShembe. Yabo?
Yeah.
But angijole esontweni. Yabo? But ngeke ngibone ukuthi mengithana nomuntu i-test yami yodwa ukuthi ufike Friday ngibone uzokwazi yini ukuthi ungene la mina la ngisonta khona because Friday amanzi abandayo ukudla okubandayo. And ngiyabona ukuthi usisi ngeke azakwazi noma thothi ngiyathanda ngeke azakwazi because lento ayikho kuyena emzweni.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Yonke into empilweni iyi-test. Yezwa lonto. Asilwi. I-test nje. So if ungasonti kaShembe ayikunzima ukuthi bakhona angiphiki but bancane.
Iteste higher grade ke le.
Futhi fana afika la kathi kumakhaza ngempela ubonakala ukuthi ngempela ukwazi.
Okufanele afike ngale weekend ikhithika ngayo.
Yebo.
KZN.
Amanzi abandayo ukudla okubandayo.
Oh, you are silly, Spiwe.
Umuphathele wathi trust me, I will marry you.
Yeah, yazi ukuthi going back to anonymous lo befonile usisi ethi nabantu besilisa bayakhohlisa. I think thina into esishaya zabantu besifazane when we were still in umjolo is that into noma sibona ukuthi inzima mhlambe ngeke uzukwazi ukuyimela in the long term because we are conditioned to want umshado sigcina sesikwenza for leso sikhashana and then bese singenile kuwo lo mshado that was the end goal sekuyinkinga manje now you are comfortable to say hey kodwa mina hey kodwa bekusemnandi while you were still doing it with the end goal of umshado so nathi I think fanele sinu kwamakhwapha we do become part of the problem as abantu besifazane
ungenzela abantu zenzele wena because umuntu usuxakekile uzoxakeka wedwa sebengekho abangani
angenzela abantu ngenzela iringi angithi nisishade nina mengabe sinitshela kahle ukuthi hayi mina sithando sami ngiyavila phela mengabe ngekho nje anti phuma kumina
iringa ipheke noNjabulo ayiwashi ayenzi lutho iringi into nje esimbolizayo iringi fanele bese enhlizweni ngaphakathi ukuthi cha mina lo ulaphakathi kumina
I get
you. Ring it's just a symbol. Wena fanele uzazi ukuthi mina ngenzani mina ngubani.
Kodwa uyabona ukuthi wena Simphiwe mina nawe we are part of a very few people in this world who are really willing to look at the truth for what it is. Ngiyabonga kakhulu wena Simphiwe have a beautiful rest of the day and ngathi ungamthola ke uforever yena wakho who's not going to be part of the Nazareth Baptist Church.
Sawubona Mazwane mina ngithi if nizoshada engathi ngangasheshe niphuthume aniqale nifundani uthola umuntu omngane wakho ozothi sendawonye uthi chomo uzungirintsisa izitsha chomo ongisizi la kuumuntu nje enabangani naye hayi umuntu ozosaba ngisho ukumtshela noma usunenkinga uyasaba phela nje uyebo baba ungathinteki aniba abangani emshadweni bafethu ukuze zonke izinto zizoba lula yayi lokho engakusho ngilalele dali thank you
morning Jeps I think umyeni kaAnonymous mhlambe umagcina ukhulenzelwa zonke izinto ekhaya kubo so le mentality umuve nayo wazi wafika emshadweni but I see it's wrong ngoba usisi uyasebenza uthengelwa impahla lebhuti wenzelwa zonke izinto ephinde phekelwe yena relax nje izinto ekanje evamise ukwenzeka uma ukuthi abantu bashadile kodwa bahlala ekhaya elikhulu abakamove kuba nespace sabo but it's wrong I think it kufanele behlale phansi bexoxa as a family thank you Jeps true love lo lesikhawini
ngiyabonga kakhulu true love and to everybody else who sent through your thoughts on the WhatsApp voice note line and so there we have it I think our list has a couple of important points now ekufanele uthi have a look see ukuthi ngudanga kanani ngawo in terms of conversating with your partner I like le ukuthi be friends I think a relationship that's rooted in friendship just makes things so much easier because awubi nenkinga nokukhuluma izinto ezibalekile kuwena with uchomo wakho you know asingayikhohlwa ke nale style of parenting if you are looking to be in a long-term relationship and you are envisioning ingane in the mix later on don't forget to have a chat about your style of parenting before these children come into this life I don't think khona into that causes tension like different styles of parenting because sekunomphefumulo ke okhona in this mix as well